Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Moong dal sprouts sabzi recipe, ideal as a healthy side dish for rice or for roti. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in 3 to 4 shallots, also known as small onions. I prefer to use shallots in my recipes as they are a good source of iron and folate. 1 green chilli or as needed, 2 garlic cloves slit, grated coconut, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, and I'm going to coarsely grind this. Once coarsely ground, keep this aside. I'm heating my cast iron pan with 1 to 2 teaspoons wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds starts to splutter, I'm adding in 1 whole Kashmiri chilli. I'm breaking the Kashmiri chilli and adding in 4 to 5 shallots thinly sliced, a sprig of fresh curry leaves, and give it a good stir. I'm using 2 cups of moong dal sprouts. I have already shared how to make green moong dal sprouts. Links will be updated below this video and also at the end of this video. Into this, I'm adding in the sprouted green moong dal. Add in sea salt as needed. Give it a good stir. Add in a splash of water. Cover and allow the sprouts to get lightly cooked. 2 to 3 minutes later, open the lid, give it a stir, add in the coarsely ground coconut mix, cover for about 20 to 30 seconds. 20 to 30 seconds later, open the lid, turn off the flame, give it a stir, and my super healthy moong dal sabji is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy sprouts sabji and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.